What if I told you that the stock market isn't just for Wall Street elites or seasoned professionals? What if you could start building wealth today with what you already have? You might think the stock market is a gamble, but staying out of it could be the riskiest move of all. In this video, I'll show you how to harness the power of the stock market to create real wealth. Whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000, this guide will help you make smarter, bolder financial decisions to secure your future. But stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a secret strategy that most beginners overlook, and it could change the game for you. Point 1. Why investing in the stock market matters. Let's face it, life can feel like a financial hamster wheel. You work hard, save a little, but somehow the goalposts for wealth always seem to move further away. Sound familiar? Let me guess. Right now you're thinking, great, another lecture about stocks. I don't even know what a PE ratio is. Don't worry, you don't need an MBA to invest, you just need to start. Here's why the stock market is your best friend in wealth creation. It's the only tool where your money works harder than you do. And unlike savings accounts that grow pennies, investing gives you the power to tap into compound growth. Did you know that $500 invested monthly at an 8% annual return can grow into over $1 million in 30 years? That's the magic of starting early, and why time is your most valuable asset. But what if you don't have 30 years? Don't worry. In the next section, I'll show you strategies to grow your wealth even faster. Point 2. The core principles of stock market success. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a journey. And like any journey, there are rules. Rule 1. Understand the market's ups and downs are normal. Yes, even those dramatic headlines screaming "crash" are part of the ride. Think of it like dating. Sometimes it's amazing and sometimes you're ghosted by a stock. But hey, you learn, right? The secret to surviving volatility is to stay consistent, invest regularly, diversify your portfolio, and keep emotions in check. This isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. But what should you actually invest in? Stocks, ETFs, crypto? Stick with me. I'll explain the best options for beginners in just a moment. Point 3. What to invest in and how to start. Here's a mind-blowing fact. When you invest in stocks, you're not just buying shares, you're buying pieces of companies you already believe in. From the phone in your pocket to the sneakers you're wearing, you can own a slice of the brands you love. Quick quiz. If you had to bet on one company thriving 10 years from now, what would it be? Got it? Good. That's where you start looking for investments. Now, for beginners, the safest way to invest is through ETFs, exchange-traded funds. They spread your money across multiple stocks, reducing your risk. Think of it as the ultimate one-stop shop for your portfolio. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Fidelity make it easy to get started with just a few taps on your phone. But how do you avoid rookie mistakes? In the next section, we'll cover the pitfalls that could cost you big time and how to dodge them like a pro. Point 4. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's talk about mistakes. The number one mistake? Panic selling. Imagine selling your stocks because the market dipped, only to see them rebound the next month. Painful, right? But it happens all the time. Pro tip: don't let your emotions be the boss of your portfolio. They're terrible managers. Instead, set long-term goals and stick to them. Other pitfalls include chasing hype stocks and ignoring fees. Research before you buy and always think of the bigger picture. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. And speaking of marathons, let's discuss the final stretch, the strategy that could supercharge your returns. Point 5. The secret strategy for wealth creation. Here's the secret most beginners overlook: reinvesting your dividends. Dividends are like little thank you notes from companies that pay you a share of their profits. Instead of cashing out, reinvest them to buy more shares. Over time, this creates a snowball effect where your investments grow faster and faster. Think of it like rolling a tiny snowball down a hill. At first it's small, but give it time and it turns into an avalanche of wealth. Now you have everything you need to start your stock market journey, but wealth creation doesn't stop here. It's about building multiple streams of income. Curious about how to boost your earnings outside of investing? Watch my next video, Side Hustles That Actually Pay Off, to learn how to supercharge your financial game. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. See you in the next video.